So my wife decided to get a cordless vacuum because she hates cords. So while she's out doing her stuff, we're gonna check this thing out. It lasts a long time, smart digital display, powerful suction, LED lights, parts for crevices or crevasses, however you'd want to say that, a floor brush, a main thing, a telescope, which means it can extend, I guess, sofa suction, and a hair cleaning tool, especially if you have dogs. That will be very useful. Or if you just have long flowing hair that gets everywhere, like my wife, this is a very good tool. So first, we're going to go outside and try the crevasse or crevice suction thing. First, let me get my jacket. My car was dirty anyway. See here. This is for the floor, right? Oh, okay. This thing seems to be very flexible, agile. That's cool. See this button? That's how you would detach all appendages. If you hate instructions like my woman, and you see these in the box, and you're like, what the heck is this? This is a filter for when you want to replace the one that's already in there. And this is the charging station. This is where you got two little screws right here. And this is a place where you can, I guess you can put your vacuum on this thing and charge it up. That way it doesn't fall somewhere and break. Just in case you don't believe me, you see this part right here? I'll show you how to clean this out at the end. You see this part right here? Like so. Power button, power suction, and battery life indicator. I know sometimes you can order stuff and there isn't instructions, or the instructions aren't very clear, but these instructions are pretty straight and to the point. I like it. This is how you unlock it for cleaning. And like that, it's detached. It seems pretty easy too. It's just sitting on top there. You pull this out. See that? There's all the hair and all the gunk. And then you just dump it in the trash can like that. Then you just place this guy back in. See the filter in there? Then you just place this guy back in here like that. Make sure it's flush. And then press it up. Boom shakalaka. You're back in business. Seems pretty simple. If you don't want to drop it like I did, my woman came by and showed me that you can actually, if you want to empty it out without twisting it open, you can just press this thing and it opens just like that. Cool. Just thought I'd throw that in there. I say that because I had no idea what I was doing throughout most of this video. So we're learning together. Very hungry and munching woman over to my left side. Is there anything you would like to add to this video? Is there something I may have forgotten? Oh, you on the phone?
What you mean?
You watching TV? You watching videos? Okay. Well, if this was helpful, make sure you like, subscribe. And if you want to order this vacuum, here's a QR code right beside me. And the link is also in the description and in the comment section. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks.